Hi guys, I am Viva. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is cloud eggs. If you want to see how I make them, keep on watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Enjoy! First thing we're going to do is I'm going to separate the egg whites from the yolk. This is done. Now I'm gonna start with my mixer beating the egg whites. After just a little bit mixing, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt, less, half teaspoon of salt, and then I'll keep beating until the egg whites turn to snow. They get hard. It takes about 5 minutes or so. You'll know when they're ready. There we have it. Now I'm going to separate them in two. And now I'm gonna start forming a little nice nest like on the top where I'm going to place the yolks. Have the perfect space for the yolk. Just make sure you put it gently so it doesn't break. And they're ready to go in the oven. They look beautiful. I'm gonna place them in preheated oven to 350 degrees and I'm going to bake them for about 4 or 5 minutes. If you like the yolks well done, you can keep them longer. It's about your preferences. This is the bread I'm using, whole grain. Here I'm gonna show you how I do them. I love mozzarella, but my husband loves Swiss cheese, so I'm gonna make them with Swiss cheese. I'm gonna put some Swiss cheese. I have tomato and avocado that I'm adding. Oops, we'll get it fixed. There it is. It's nice. And I'm gonna place the cloud eggs on the top. And we like our eggs with both paprika and black pepper. So I'm making one with paprika and one with black pepper. And it's all done. They look beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.